The Rural Technology Action Group, RUTAG, is an initiative of the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India since 2004. RUTAG, supported by the Office of the PSA, was conceptualized as a mechanism to provide a higher level of S&T intervention and support for rural areas. Under this initiative, the interventions are designed to be primarily demand-driven, focusing on bridging technology gaps at the grassroots level, upgrading technology, and providing training and demonstrations through innovative projects.
Pattamadai, a quaint village in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu, is renowned for its centuries-old hand-woven mats crafted from Korai grass. These mats, known as pattupai in Tamil, owe their superior quality to the abundance of Korai grass flourishing in the alluvial soil along the banks of the Tambrabarani river. The weaving process of this mat involves a floor loom with a warp of yarns supported by a mukhali, which is a tripod made of bamboo. The water-softened Korai weft is inserted into the needle and passed over and under the warp. After weaving, the mat undergoes a thorough check for unevenness, followed by drying in the sun and polishing with a polishing stone to achieve a smooth finish. Traditionally, these mats were woven for brides and grooms, featuring their names and wedding date inscribed as part of the wedding trousseau. Despite this long-standing tradition passed down through generations, weavers face numerous challenges. Working on a primitive floor loom or handloom, they must weave the fine Korai grass mat in an uncomfortable posture with the legs held up by a hanging rope. Additionally, weaving intricate designs or motifs requires the manual lifting of individual threads or group of threads using a wooden shaft and twine while inserting the Korai weft. This difficult working posture limits the ability of weavers to work continuously for extended hours. Only selected weavers possess the skill to weave design mats with smaller motifs, resulting in the time-consuming process of over 8 days for a single mat. To address these challenges and improve the ergonomic conditions for weavers, RUTAG IIT Madras developed a 192-hook electronic jacquard to enhance design capabilities. Fitted onto a wooden frame handloom, this electronic jacquard allows weavers to create fine Korai grass mats with a wide variety of designs while sitting comfortably. Auto take-up and let-off mechanism in the handloom enable continuous weaving without interruption, thereby increasing productivity. The space for compacting operation, which is exclusively done in the fine Korai grass mat, is also provided by suitable arrangement under the loom. Design motifs of various origins can be electronically developed in bitmap format and then loaded onto the electronic jacquard control unit using a pen drive. Weavers can easily choose the required design stored in the control unit according to the mat's layout plan and start the weaving operation. The electronic jacquard mechanism manages thread selection and lifting during shed making through foot pedal operation, requiring no special attention or expertise from the weaver. After a week of training, any weaver can comfortably weave a fine Korai mat of any design using electronic jacquard in just 2 to 3 days, a significant improvement compared to the traditional floor loom, which needs 8+ days for a skilled weaver.
The total implementation cost works out to be 12 lakhs per loom, and this includes equipment cost, erection commissioning cost and weaver and design training cost for a batch of 4 weavers. On realizing the high productive and economic potential with various other benefits of EJH technology, dissemination have been carried out with the TNHDC funding. Totally 7 number of looms have been installed, out of which 5 are in Pattamadai and 2 in Viravanallur, Tirunelveli district. Along with the loom installation, training to the weavers have also been provided by RUTAG IIT Madras. In this continuation, the Khadi Village Industries Commission as well funded RUTAG IIT Madras to disseminate this technology by establishing one loom at KVIC's Multidisciplinary Training Center at Nadathara, Thrissur, and the training of artisans were provided.